Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of function of 16 where function of x minus y is equal to function of x minus function of y and the value of function of 2 is equal to 5. Let's substitute x is equal to twice a and y is equal to a in the given function. We will have function of twice a minus a is equal to function of twice a minus function of a, or function of twice a minus a is equal to a, and taking this function of a to left side we can write function of a is equal to function of twice a, or function of a plus function of a is equal to 2 times function of a is equal to function of twice a. Now exchanging side we can write function of twice a is equal to 2 times function of a. So the value of function of 16 is equal to function of 16 can be written as 2 times 8 is equal to, according to this equation we can write function of twice a is equal to 2 times function of a, so it can be written as 2 times function of 8 is equal to 2 times function of 8 can be written as 2 times 4 is equal to 2 times, according to this equation we can write it as 2 times function of 4 is equal to 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and function of 4 can be written as 2 times 2 is equal to 4 times, according to previous equation it can be written as 2 times function of 2 is equal to 4 times 2 is equal to 8 times the value of function of 2 is equal to 5. So 8 times 5 is equal to 40. So the value of function of 16 is equal to 40. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.